अमेजिंग अमेजिंग। मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए पूरा 18th सेंचुरी इंग्लैंड में चला गया।
एब्सोल्युटली। कराची आर्ट काउंसिल में वर्ल्ड कल्चर डे की रंगारंग महफिल जारी है। आए दिन हमारे साथ हमारे मेहमान मौजूद होते हैं जो कि अपनी सकाफत वहाँ तो चमका रहे हैं, उसे रोशन कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो रंग यहाँ तक बिखर रहे हैं।
हमने सोचा कि जब कराची आर्ट्स काउंसिल का जो स्टेज है वो इतना खूबसूरत हो रहा है तो फिर हम अपने जो है वो स्टेज को, हम अपने सेट को क्यों ना सजाएं। तो आज हमारे साथ रिजवान जगानी मौजूद हैं। बाय द वे डॉक्टर रिजवान जगानी हैं, अमेरिका से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं और वो आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। और ये जो इन्होंने बजाया है, बहुत से लोगों को ये लग रहा होगा कि वायलिन है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है।
तो ये क्या है जानते हैं। डॉक्टर रिजवान हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, good morning, thanks for having me.
You were telling, it was our pleasure. You were telling that this is not violin. What is it?
So this is a viola. I like to say that if rich dark chocolate had a sound, it would be the viola, and for all the South Asians, violin ka bara bhai. But it's a bit bigger than a violin. It's also a bit deeper. The violin has a sound that's a lot higher and brilliant, but the viola.
क्या आप बजा सकते हैं what violin is और फिर what viola is? Like how deep is viola?
Absolutely. So the violin has a high string called the E string, and it sounds like this. But viola, we have what's called the C string. So if I want to play something to just show off the string, nice little slow melody.
This is more saddening. पता है वायलिन जो है ना वो इट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल इंस्ट्रूमेंट कि उसमें दुख ज़्यादा ना झलक रहा होता है, और वियोला में तो ये तो जैसा आप बड़ा भाई कह रहे हैं, दुख का बड़ा भाई कर दिया आपने।
If they often say also that this instrument is closest to the human voice. So it almost sounds like a person singing, and you can sing very brilliantly and happily, but you can also be very somber and very grounded to the earth as well.
Yeah, but क्या ये perspective डॉक्टर रिजवान सही है कि वायलिन sad sound है, sad sound करता है? Is it true?
No.
I mean, like,
इसमें अपना ज़ाती तजुर्बा होता है।
Okay.
Personal experiences of heartbreaks.
Yeah, we artists, we have a various range of emotions, and I think over the years, like being a classical musician, you have composers that have really access to different elements of the instrument.
सही.
So I think maybe I just gravitate more towards the mellower, deeper pieces.
Okay.
But even for the viola, even though it's known for its low elements, there's also a lot of high stuff that we play as well.
Right.
Yeah.
If I say कि अगर आप हमें कुछ ऐसा, मेरा perspective या अगर फैसल का perspective है कि ये sad sound करता है instrument,
How about
change करना हो,
a morning delight?
Yeah, can we have something very delightful and happy?
I mean, like the piece that I played in the beginning, that's that was a piece that was written in the late 1600s Germany, and it was one of the first pieces written of its kind for the instrument. It's called a viola concerto by a composer named George Philip Telemann. And he wrote this piece, and so there's a lot you can do that makes it sound happy and exciting. And I can even play one more little clip for you.
Sure.
So this is a different section of the same piece.
Okay.
So like.
It sounded very much. I could imagine that cultural dance happening in a huge hall. है ना?
अच्छा रिजवान, आप शुरू से अमेरिका में रहे हैं या फिर अरसा कुछ यहाँ रहे? थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताएं।
Yeah, so I was born in the United States. Been there pretty much my whole life, and I come to Karachi almost once a year if I can. I have family here. My nanny is here, and she's one of my biggest fans. I was here back in at the end of April, early May. I just finished my final performance for my doctorate degree, And she wanted to see me graduate, but I was like, you're not getting on a flight. So I brought my graduation robe with me, and we all celebrated together.
That's
nice.
And so yeah, even though I do live in the US, Karachi does feel like home.
Absolutely, I'm sure it does. How Karachi has changed. I mean, like, you coming here since ever. Right? Obviously, you were born here, but you've seen your childhood Karachi and you've seen your teenage Karachi and this. So you think Karachi has changed? The people have changed? How warm are they?
I definitely think there's so much like expansion of what people I think want here. I've come here so many years, and I've always had to I've been bringing the viola with me since about 2012.
Same.
And when I play for family, I usually default to more South Asian music. But I have to say, this is the first time I've been able to play Western classical music in Karachi for an audience, which to me is a huge celebration because, I can honor my roots in my, with my culture, as well as, bring this beautiful instrument into the spotlight as well, through the best way that I know possible, and that is through, my training as a Western classical artist. And then, also using my training to access different genres. So like last night I had my performance at the Arts Council, and I played 2 sections of the Telemann Concerto, the section that you heard. And as well as I did Tajdar-e-Haram by the Atif Aslam version, as well as an encore with Basuri with the band members of the Arts Council. And it was one of the most meaningful and most special music performances I've had to do.
अच्छा, आपने जो मेंशन किए हैं ताजदार-ए-हरम एंड देन पसूड़ी एज वेल, हमारे पास वक्त कम है, लेकिन मैं चाहूँगा अगर थोड़ा थोड़ा सबका हो जाए, स्टार्टिंग विद पसूड़ी प्लीज. ओके. And now we are left with a minute. तो हम आपसे इजाज़त ले रहे हैं और उसके साथ हम आपके साथ छोड़े जा रहे हैं ताजदार-ए-हरम. थैंक यू सो मच. आपसे मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़. ओवर टू यू.
थैंक यू.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.